Look how steep it is.
I know.
Look at that rock over there. On the top of a hill. Yeah, we'll go down this way.
That one's too bumpy.
This one's alright though.
This one.
Look at where we came up. Remember when we came up? What?
I made it that far. Oh. I really think we shouldn't go backwards.
No.
It's too bumpy. And I don't like bumps.
Hey, come back. Come back.
After I listen to that.